Approx dash percentage of Indian population is still agriculturist. Answer C, 58%. Contribution of agriculture to gross national product is approximate. Answer D, 17.5%. How much population is living below the poverty line in India? Answer C, approx 26%. The best indicator of economic development of any country is answer D, its per capita income. What is the mainstay of Indian economic? Answer D, agriculture. India is the largest milk producing country in the world. Answer A, true. Who was the father of Operation Flood? Answer C, Dr. Varghese Kurian. The increase in oilseed production was due to answer B, Yellow Revolution. The progress in the increase of fish production was called answer D, Blue Revolution. Which state is the biggest sheep producer in the country? Answer C, Assam. India holds the third position in the production of sugarcane. Answer B, false. National Agriculture Insurance Scheme was implemented on answer C, October 1999. Which is not a kharif crop? Answer D, wheat. What is NSSO? Answer D, National Simple Survey Organization. When Community Development Program CDP started? Answer A, 1952. Green Revolution started in? Answer C, 1966 to 1967. National Rural Employment Program started in? Answer B, 1980. Mahila Samriddhi Yojana started in? Answer B, 1993. Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana started in? Answer B, 2000. National Rural Employment Guarantee Program started in? Answer B, 2006. Reserve Bank of India was established on? Answer A, 1st April 1935. Banking Regulation Act was passed in? Answer C, 1949. First Regional Rural Bank came into existence in? Answer C, 1975. Industrial Development Bank of India IDBI established in? Answer A, 1964. Industrial Finance Corporation of India IFCI was established in? Answer C, 1948. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India ICICI was established in? Answer C, 1991. Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI was established in? Answer D, 1989. Export-Import Bank of India was established in answer B 1982. Gross domestic capital formation is defined as answer D net addition to stock after depreciation. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD was established in answer C 1982. National Housing Bank NHB was established in answer A 1988. Life Insurance Corporation LIC of India was established in answer B 1956. General Insurance Corporation JIC was established in answer B 1972. Gilt Age Market means answer A the market of government securities.